Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Mr. Belle got a lot of videos out there. Hope you've been enjoying it and everything. Today, I'll be doing something a little different in this Power XL. I'll be doing some air fry RB fries. We brought these fries from the store the other day, some RB fries. My kids like them and they want to see how they taste in the Power XL air fry. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to spray it with a little spray right here so they won't stick, just like that. And I'm gonna set this on. I'm gonna set this on air fry. I'm gonna set it for 375. It's on 375. And I'm gonna just set this for 20 minutes and see how they come out. And I'm gonna press start. Okay, so I'm just gonna put these fries in just like this. As you see, they curly fries. So I'm gonna just put them in like that. They curly fries, and I'm gonna put the top down, and I'm gonna press start. Okay, start. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. We're gonna take a sneak peek at it and see how they're coming out. They look like they're coming out real good. The seasoning is on it and everything. So we're gonna put the top down, let it cook just a little more. They look like they're coming out real nice and good. Let's take a look at that. Okay, it's been 17 minutes altogether. So we're gonna take another peep at it and see. These fries look like they done and everything. We're gonna be taking these out in a minute. I'm gonna let it give it 1 minute more. Okay, it's been 13 minutes. So these curly fries are done. I'm gonna press cancel. And we're gonna take these out and put them right on this plate right here. You just take them out just like this. They looking nice and good and everything. We're gonna just put them just like that. See? These right here are your RB fries, curly fries. Okay, these are your curly fries. When they say curly, they are curly. So I'm gonna test this one, see how they come out. Tastes good. I didn't have to put no seasoning on it because they already seasoned and everything. It's delicious. You ought to try it. And it only took 13 minutes. This right here are your RB curly fries. Cooking with Mr. Belle. If you leave a comment in the box, if you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.